Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2007 easy paper. The question is an input x of t is equal to exponential minus 2t u of t and plus del of t minus t is applied to an LTI system with impulse response h of t is equal to u of t. What is the output? So what they have given is there is one LTI system. In that LTI system they apply exponential minus 2t u of t plus del of t minus 6 and the system has impulse response of u of t. What is the output y of t? That's what they are asking. So we know for any LTI system y of t is equal to convolution between x of t and the impulse response. So if I take convolution, it will be a tedious process. So what I do is I take Laplace transform and take inverse Laplace transform. So if I take a Laplace transform, y of s is equal to x of s multiplication h of s. Multiplication is easy. After multiplying, I take inverse Laplace transform, I get y of t. So what is my y of s? Y of s is equal to x of s. X of s is nothing but a Laplace transform of x of t. X of t is this one. So e power minus 2t u of t for that Laplace transform is 1 by s plus 2 plus del of t minus 6. Del of t minus 6 as Laplace transform of e power minus 6s. So this is the Laplace transform of x of s. H of s is Laplace transform of h of t. H of t is u of t. For u of t Laplace transform is 1 by s. So multiply all the things. So if you multiply, what you get is 1 by s into s plus 2 plus e power minus 6s by s. So I take positive fraction expansion for this. If I take positive fraction, what I get is 1 by 2s minus 1 by 2 s plus 2. This will be as it is. E power minus 6s by s. So now I got everything individually. So now I take inverse Laplace transform for a y of s inverse Laplace transform is y of t. So 1 by 2 is constant. For 1 by s, the inverse Laplace is u of t. This is 1 by 2. For 1 by s plus 2, inverse Laplace transform is e power minus 2t u of t. This is 1 by s. 1 by s is u of t. E power minus 6. So it is u of t minus 6. That is right. So e power minus 6s by 2. Sorry, e power minus 6s by 2. Okay. Okay. So sorry, e power minus 6s by s. Sorry. E power minus 6s by s. Yes. Okay. Now what I get is here u of t minus 6. Fine. So this is what is the property I used here, because the property I used here is x of t x of t minus t for that Laplace transform is x of s e power minus st. So instead of t we are having 6, so it will be x of t minus 6 like that. Okay. 1 by s is u of t. U of t, it is time shifted version. So if you take u of t, for u of t Laplace transform is 1 by s. For u of t minus 6 Laplace transform is 1 by s e power minus 6s. So that's why I put. So e of t is 1 by 2 u of t minus 1 by 2 e power minus 2t u of t plus u of t minus 6. So let us see. So what is the answer? You see 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. If I take 1 by 2 common, so I take, because they have taken 1 by 2 common, 1 by 2 is 0.5, right? 1 minus e power minus 2t u of t plus u of t minus 6. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. 1 minus e power minus 2t u of t minus 6. So the answer is, sorry, it is t plus 6, it is t minus 6. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.